welcome back to my channel. This is Groovy Art by Haley, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I package my stickers. For those of you who don't know, I have an Etsy shop called Groovy Art by Haley, and my most popular products are stickers. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I package them, and I hope you guys enjoy. So the first thing I do is select the stickers I want to package up. I got this organizing bin from Michael's for I think $6, and it's really great because it helps keep me organized. So here are the materials I use. So I've got my stickers, I've got my labels, I've got my plastic bags that I store them in, I've got my business cards and my thank you cards, and I've got my thank you cards and envelopes that I put them in. So now what I'm doing is taking out a thank you card that says 10% off your next purchase with a code and a business card. And then I take out a little plastic baggie to store the stuff in. And now I'm taking out this little label that says Chirpy Stickers and Packed with Love. And now I'm just putting everything into the bag. So I start off from biggest to smallest because that'll make it look a lot better. And then I'm just taking this label and I'm going to staple it on the outside. And this is how it looks from the front and the back. So now I'm going to take out a thank you card and an envelope. And then for all of my orders, I always write a handwritten note. Then I place the stickers inside of the envelope and I close it up, and now it's time to stamp and seal and write the address on it. This is the part where I write the address on it, but obviously I'm not going to show this part on camera. And then to make it look even cuter, I put these little smiley face stickers on the seal part. And then I write Packed with Love on it. So here's what the final product looks like. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys found this video to be useful, and let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm more than happy to answer them for you. You can either leave a comment or shoot me a DM through Instagram. Anyways, thank you guys. Bye.